Hey Adam here with a simple and fast review of the GYJC PET Paw Cleaner for cats and dogs. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out on my dog, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So once you kind of get this out of the packaging, there's some plastic around it. It's simple to kind of open, and what you'll see is a little brush. It's kind of like a rubbery brush, just so you know, not like a regular brush. And I believe this could be removed if needed. Yeah, so just be aware of that. I don't know that you should, but I'll put it back on before I test it on the dog. But what this should be is a foaming that comes on here, so it's not spray or anything. And you're just going to kind of massage the foot a little bit to give it a cleaning. So we'll go ahead and show you that process. All right, so you just press the button. I know it's blocked here, and foam it up a little bit, and then you're just gonna gently massage the paw and get it clean. So it's a great process. It does help clean all the paws. Try and keep it away from the hair that gets in the way, but overall it's great. So totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.